Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious cabbage kimchi at home. First, prepare your napa cabbage by cutting one large head into 2-inch pieces. Next, you will brine the cabbage using 1/4 cup of sea salt, letting it sit for about 2 hours. This step is crucial for drawing out moisture and tenderizing the cabbage. After brining, rinse the cabbage thoroughly 3 times under cold water to remove excess salt. This ensures your kimchi isn't too salty. Now, let's create the flavorful kimchi paste. In a food processor, combine 1/2 cup of gochugaru, fresh garlic, and ginger until smooth. Then, add 1/4 cup of fish sauce and 2 tablespoons of sugar to the mixture, blending well. Finally, incorporate 1 cup of grated Dakin radish and chopped green onions into the paste. This vibrant paste is the heart of your kimchi, providing its signature spicy and savory taste. With your paste ready, it's time to combine everything. Thoroughly mix the prepared paste with the rinsed and drained cabbage. Remember to wear gloves during this step to protect your hands from the chili paste. Once mixed, pack the kimchi tightly into a clean, airtight jar, pressing down to remove air pockets. Leave about 1 inch of headspace at the top. This ensures proper fermentation and prevents spoilage. After packing, allow your kimchi to ferment at room temperature for 1 to 2 days, depending on your desired tanginess. You'll notice small bubbles forming, indicating active fermentation. Once fermented, transfer the kimchi to the refrigerator, where it will continue to develop flavor and can be stored for up to 3 weeks. Enjoy your homemade kimchi as a side dish or in various recipes. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.